Welcome to my tutorial about the new function WebGL Exporter. The WebGL Exporter allows you to present 3D content within websites. It's a great possibility to represent your stand. You can find the button for WebGL Exporter in the multifunction bar above. If the bar is hidden, you can open it with a click on the Show Full Ribbon button. When it's open, click on OCTAdesign to see all possibilities OCTAdesign offers. Here you can find the WebGL Exporter. When clicking on WebGL Exporter, a window opens. Here we can select a lot of different settings. Info allows you to add the title of the project. The next button, Export Options, here you can choose a design. It's normally adjusted to standard, but if you want, you can create your own design. With Default View, you can select which view opens once the presentation starts. In Skybox, you can choose between 7 different backgrounds for your stand. For example, you can choose no background, or if you want to, you can also choose an artful background with art. But there are also some other possibilities. Check the box next to ground to insert a ground. It's also possible to support your presentation with pictures. If you click on Image, you can insert pictures. Under Advanced Settings, you can add particulars about the publisher. The Exporter button allows you to define if the camera should be exported as well. You can define that objects should be ignored if they don't have a surface. You could also force two-sided materials if they haven't surfaces. With OCTAdesign VR Viewer, you can define if shadows should be shown. You can switch the auto-rotate function on or off, and check the box next to check collisions to turn off the possibility to go through walls. You can switch the sound on or off. With the last button, Cloud Options, you can define where your stand has to be uploaded to. Once you adjusted all settings, click on Export. When the export is finished, a window will open. You are now in the presentation mode. Here are some functions. You can click on Orbit to move around the stand with the help of your computer mouse. You can turn auto-rotate on or off depending on your preferences. Here you can find the walk function. With this function you can walk around your stand with the arrow buttons or with WASD in combination with your computer mouse. With Select Camera, you can choose a camera. You can also choose a camera type, for example the anaglyph camera. The anaglyph camera allows you, with the help of anaglyph 3D glasses, to view the presentation of your stand in 3D. If you click on Home, you will come back to your starting position. When you click on this button, you will enter full screen mode. You can fade in the navigation bar by hitting space. You can leave the full screen mode by pressing the Escape key. To support the presentation of your stand with the pictures inserted at the beginning, click on the button with the camera. Here you can fade your pictures in and out as you please. A great feature OCTAdesign offers you is to add hyperlinks to pictures. Now I will show you how to do this. For this we are closing presentation mode. You can insert the hyperlink with the poster wizard. You will find the poster wizard on the right side or in the multifunction bar above. We are opening the poster wizard. The first step is to select an object. for example this one. When it's selected, we choose a picture. At the bottom right, you can find the box to which you can paste your web link. We paste the web link and click on Accept and afterwards on Close to complete the operation. We're opening WebGL Exporter again. Now when you move your computer mouse over the picture, you will see that the mouse is changing and the picture has a blue frame. If you click on the picture, you will be redirected to the web link. Here at the last point, you can make various settings. You can set cameras to use the current position. You can switch the walk mode on or off, and you can set the walking speed. Lights allows you to set the brightness of your stand for the presentation mode. With shadows, you can switch shadows on or off, and you can also fade soft shadows in or out. With map size, you can set the quality of the shadows. The further right the slider is located, the sharper the shadow becomes. With bias, you can align the distance between objects and shadows. You can smooth the object edge with anti-alias. This effect can be seen best in spotlights. The edges are smoother and more straight. Show user interfaces. Here you can fade the interfaces in or out. It's also possible to turn the auto rate on or off. Last but not least, you can switch the sound on or off. If you checked all settings, let's close the presentation mode and return to OCTAdesign. To give the presentation to your customer, click on Publish to publish the presentation. Now you can upload your presentation to your personal and safe cloud. After the upload has been completed, you can send the link to your customer. You can also view your project from the cloud, or you can copy the link or the website code to your clipboard to integrate your presentation in your company homepage. Have a look at the WebGL tutorial for advanced level. I hope you will enjoy the new function. See you next time.